TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. A negative determiner is a word used to modify a noun and indicate the absence or non-existence of something. The word no is a negative determiner used before a singular or plural noun to indicate the absence of something. It is the correct choice because it properly negates the existence of a mechanical device in this context. Answer 2. A participle is a verb form that can function as an adjective. Participles come in 2 forms, present participle, ing form, and past participle, ed form. Present participle is used for actions or things that cause feelings, e.g. pleasing. Past participle is used for describing someone's feelings or reactions, e.g. pleased. Are pleased should be used because it expresses the passenger's reaction or emotional state upon hearing the news. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.